I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Roblox avatar skin color in the Roblox app on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap Avatar in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your Roblox avatar screen opens. Step 3. Tap to select Customize at the top of this screen. The menu at the bottom of the screen will change to show avatar customization options. Step 4. Tap to select Head and Body in this menu. Associated options are displayed. Step 5. Tap Skin in the Hair and Body menu. You'll see options for different skin colors that will be applied to your Roblox avatar. Tap any of the different color options to see them applied to your avatar. When you find the skin color you want to apply to your Roblox avatar permanently, simply leave that color selected. That skin color will be applied to your avatar going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.